If you ever wanted to refresh all tabs in Chrome at the same time, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Instead of clicking reload on every single tab one by one, you can use a simple Chrome extension to refresh everything instantly with just a couple of clicks. This is super useful if you have a lot of tabs open for work, research, social media, or testing websites. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. From there, hover over Extensions. A side menu will appear, and in that menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store where you can safely install browser extensions. Now in the search bar, type Reload All Tabs. When the extension appears in the results, click on it so you can open the extension page. On that page, you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button. Click that button to begin the installation. Chrome will now show a confirmation pop-up with the permissions the extension needs. This is normal because the extension needs access in order to refresh your open tabs. Review the prompt, then click Add Extension. Wait a few seconds while Chrome finishes installing it. Once the installation is complete, look near the address bar and click the puzzle icon. This icon is where Chrome stores your installed extensions. A list of extensions will appear, and from that list, click Reload All Tabs. As soon as you do that, all of your open websites will refresh automatically at the same time. No need to go through each tab manually. And that's it. You now know how to refresh all tabs in Chrome at the same time using a simple extension. It's fast, easy, and a huge time saver if you work with multiple tabs every day. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.